It is day 2, or December 2nd, of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me, and I'm so excited to get started opening the next one. I did work on the projects from yesterday, which was this Scrappy fabric card making kit, which I'll talk about in a few minutes. I have some thoughts on it, so stay tuned for that. But let's first open number 2, day 2. Here it is. I didn't peek. I wanted to, but I didn't. So I'm going to open it up. Let's see. I thought it was an ornament. Before I do this, on the back of, and I don't know where it is, I think I have it over at my desk. On the back of the pattern for the project, there was a little clue when I was reading through the pattern. So I kind of know what this is, but I don't know exactly what it is. So there's what it looks like. Let's see. It's cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute little iron. Oh, it's a little tin iron. I love that. Okay, I didn't know this, so I'm so excited. Okay, these are little pins, it looks like. Look at those. Can you see those? Let me put my hand in front of them. Oh my goodness. And then there's a pack in it. And then a whole bunch of embellishments, which is the clue we got on the back of the pattern. It said that the embellishments were coming in day 2. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little light bulbs. Oh my gosh. So light bulb sequins, there's bells, that's what I heard jingling. Buttons, it looks like Chuck the Duck, some beads, all kinds of goodies in here. And this, it's so cute. I love this tin. Oh, how much fun is that? Okay, that's so great. So let's see, should I guess the next one and then show you the cards? Yeah, let's do that. All right, I'm gonna guess the next one. This is your fair warning. It's another box. Oh, and by the way, let's talk about these cute little boxes. They're little buildings. Aren't they cute? This would be great in a little kid's like play set. They could use this, I'm sure, to play with it with Matchbox cars and stuff like that. You can even keep stuff in it. Wouldn't that be great? Or you could even have them on a shelf. They're very cute. And this box is the same way. So cute. So it shops, I think, in Hamilton. Let's guess. Okay, it's very heavy. Now the last, I think, 2 or 3 years, we've gotten mugs. Could it be a mug? I don't know. What are your thoughts? What do you think it is? I think it's a mug, but we'll wait and see. Okay, so let's talk about yesterday's item. And it was this card making kit, and it was meant to be used with scraps, which is probably why we didn't get fabric. It's really nice, and it's a great kit. There's a few things I'm not a fan of. There's a few things that I really love about it. I love that the quality of the cards, it's nice and thick, the quality of the envelopes, and then the quality of the stencils. And I took my stencils apart and put them in rings, and then you can just flip them and use them, which is really great. I love that. The stencils are really cute. Lots of cool stuff. You could use them in journaling, not just quilting. I'll start with the card first. So I did the card, you can see. And I used the fusible, and when I used the iron on it, it did distort the card because this card stock has like a plasticky stuff on it, so it melted that. Now we could probably put some glitter or something on it to cover it up, but I didn't love that. So I probably wouldn't use these cards unless I was sewing it and not ironing things on it, just because to get it adhered, you need to have a higher temperature. But if you use a higher temperature, then you get this bubbling effect, which is not very nice, and it doesn't feel very nice. I don't know, it's cute. It's not something that I love, but I'm not gonna love them all. I'm not gonna love them all, and I know that. That's okay. So that's that. But the other things were that we had these cardboardy things that I didn't know what they were. These are for the gift card holders that you can make. So I did make 2, and this was the first one I made. And it has you cut the fabric in, well, I don't want to give any dimensions because it's not my pattern, but it has you cut the fabric a certain amount wide, and then you have to fold it over the cardboard. And honestly, it was really tricky to do without glue, and I ended up using some glue. Even then, it's a little bubbly. So the second one I made, and it has issues, so trust me, I know. I did a little bit of a wider allowance for folding it over, but then it got bulky at the edges. So just be aware of that. The other thing is I use directional fabric. So you can see how cute those Santas are in the back, but when you fold it over, they're upside down. So make sure that if you're using directional fabric, you pay attention to that, or you just don't use directional fabrics. That's probably the best course of action. They are really cute. You put, I don't have a, will that fit? No. I don't have a card to put in it. I should have been prepared. Here, I have my notes. We'll do that. So you just put your card, gift card right in there. It fits nice and snug. And then you can make these, of course, out of any fabric. So for any type of gift. And that is really cute. It's a cute idea. So the cards, really nice quality. If you're into that, that's fantastic. We do have the embellishments that we can put on it. And I probably will put the embellishments on this card, even these guys. But it's not really my thing. The stencils I love. And then, of course, these card holders are nice. All in all, I did a bunch of research trying to find something like this. Because there are 6 cards, 6 envelopes, I found kits that were like $15 to $25 with everything that you got. So I'm gonna price it at $20. And I can't wait to hear what you have to say about that price. So speaking of price, since I valued it at $20 and I did pay $190.75, that brings our value total to $170.75. That's where we're at with that $20 off, which isn't bad. And then I have these, which this tin is adorable. I'm not sure what to value this at. I'll have to research this too. I love the little tin. This is definitely going to go on my new shelves. I will see you again tomorrow for the 3rd day, December 3rd, of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.